So today we're going to talk about how to change the background in two different ways. The first one is changing the background color. And how do you do that? You just press Command J. You need to copy the background. We don't need the background for now. That's why we need to press I button. After that, we need to select this person. For that, we need to go to selection part, and there we have subject. It takes a little time, but after some time it selects the person. We don't need this person, we need the background that is after this person. Therefore, we need to press again select. There we have inverse. You need to press inverse super quick. After that, you need to go for this little part. There you have solid color. You need to press it and you need to choose the color that you want the background to be. You just press OK. Let's go for this greenish color, and then this is not the final result. You need to go for multiply. There you can see the original color was bluish color, and now we have something green. You can again change the color. You can make it green, you can make it red, blue, yellow, whatever the color you want. You can change it as you wish. Let's now switch this eye again. Let's go for the second way. Let's suppose we want to change the background to this part. And how do we do that? We need to again cut this person. Again, we go for selection part. There we have subject. You press subject, it takes a little time. Now we don't go for inversive. We need the person in himself. We need to go for quick selection tool. There you will see select and mask. You just press it. You can make some changes here. You can make it more smooth. You can go for the featherness, so on and so forth, but we don't need this part now. Output should be new layer. You just press it and we have a new layer here. Then you need to go for this picture. You need to duplicate the picture. You just press it. You need to go for this picture that you're working on. You just press OK, and there you have it. We have the picture, but we need to modify it. You need to press Command and T or Control or T and make it bigger. So as you see, the picture is above our original picture. That's why we need to make it below the picture. So we have this person. This is not the perfect result because the colors are different. And how do we work on this? First of all, we need to go for the levels. You go for this color part again. You press level, and we need to change the level. But as you see, it changes level of the whole picture. We don't need that. We need to change only this person's color level. Therefore, you need to press this little button. You just press it, and it only works with this layer. And whenever you press levels, make sure that this is above the picture that you want to change. And again, we can make it automatically. We can press auto, or you can just work yourself. We need to work a little bit with this. It should be very similar to the background. It's already looking not bad, but we need to improve more. We just press this layer again. You need to go for image, adjustments. There you have match colors. The final step that we're going to do, we need to work on this a little bit. Before you change anything here, you need to go for source. Source is this picture. This picture, I took it from the Pexels website. This is the royalty-free website. You just press it, and then you need to choose the layer. We choose background copy. You just press it, and as you see, it's black and white because the background was black and white. We don't need black and white. We just need a little bit of that color effect. So we can go for 90%. So now it looks much better, and this is the result. Original result was this way, as you can see, but we changed the result to this result. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and make sure that you watch next videos.